Agora vai! Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we will review, unbox, and have a closer look at Viltrox 24mm f1.8 autofocus prime lens for my Sony a7S III. A lot to digest, huh? So, there it is. We're gonna have a little warranty card, menu, do not eat, and here we go. Nada. Why? Because this is the lens that we are using right now. Let me just switch this real quick. Boom, there we go. Here it is. Let me just bring this ISO a little bit higher because this lens now is 2.8. As you can see, it's darker. This is very, very bright, perfect for low light conditions, and I think it's very, very sharp. So here, E-mount, autofocus, prime lens, f2.8, 24mm. The weight is 340 grams. It feels very, very good. Doesn't feel cheap. It's metal, so I assume you can throw it around, you can throw it in your bag, and you should be fine. Right here, boom, we have the cap, regular 55mm. I don't know if you guys can see here, boom. There is a little click here for the lens protector. Very, very nice. I don't really use that as often, but I should, because in case of emergency, if it hits something, it's gonna hit this, it's not gonna hit my lens. So, recommended to use. Don't do like me. Filter size, 55mm. The ring, very, very smooth. This is the zoom ring, and then the aperture ring here go from 1.8 all the way to 16, and it's very, very smooth as well. Super good. Autofocus, manual focus. 24mm is great for landscape because it doesn't give that weird distortion, and I think it's good for vlogging as well because it's not too wide. I personally like a lot. The autofocus is very fast, as you can see. Highly recommend for photos and videos. Super creamy because it's gonna give you that depth of field, the bokeh that everyone likes. I've been testing, I've been playing around, and I'm very happy about it. It's not super tiny, but it's a very nice size. It takes just like my hand, and I don't really recommend zoom lens anymore because my 1635 broke f2.8, but it's okay. 24mm 1.8 even better. I like the red detail, so you can like go and connect to your full frame camera. Very nice. I think it's nice touch. And let me know in the comment down below what you think about this lens, okay? 429 bucks for what you get is amazing. Comparing to other lenses and other brands, the price is probably the best one, especially for being 1.8. It's worth it, and I'm sure you're gonna have great use for a lot of different scenarios. I'm excited to use, explore, and take this lens with me. Sony 24mm f2.8 G Master lens, 598. It's not even 1.8, okay? 24mm G Master 1.4, 1,398. A lot of money. So if you're on a budget, very good option. Rokinon autofocus 24mm f2.8. There is a little sale going on B&H right now. 200 bucks. Samayang 24mm 1.8. 449 as well. Sigma 1424 f2.8, 1,300. Sigma 24mm 1.4, 849 bucks. Viltrox autofocus 24mm 1.8, 429. As long as you know the settings, you know what you're gonna use for, you're secure of what you're doing, I'm sure you're gonna be able to deliver a good product because it doesn't really matter the gear. It helps, yes, but if you know how to use it, you can make it magic. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching this video. If you wanna know more about this lens, I'm gonna link the description down below. Leave your like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.